Now, measures to correct deficient demand. Deficient demand means when the aggregate demand less than aggregate supply. So due to deficient demand, deflationary gap created in the economy. So in what way or how to correct the deficient demand? So I have made here structure or table. With the help of this table, I will explain the points. So here I have written fiscal policy and monetary policy. Correct deficient demand. Measures to correct deficient demand. Two policies are applied by the government: fiscal policy and monetary policy. Fiscal policy known as policy of central government, and monetary policy of central bank. In fiscal policy, there are 2 points I have written here. Number one, increase in government spending and decrease in taxes. Increase in government spending means that the government has to increase the expenditure. In what way? The government sometimes made dams, flyovers, roads, railways, and also school, college, hospitals. So in such a way, government increase the expenditure, and the level of income of the public increases. When the income increases, automatically aggregate demand increases. So when aggregate demand increases, the deficient demand will reduce. Next point is decrease in taxes. Decrease in taxes, there are two types of tax: direct and indirect tax. When the tax rate decreases by the government, the level of income of the public increases. When income increases, demand automatically increases. Then deficient demand will control. So these 2 points are included in fiscal policy. Now next, monetary policy. Two instruments: quantitative and qualitative instruments. You know that in quantitative instruments, 3 points are here written. Decrease in bank rate. We know bank rate policy, open market operations, and LRR policy. So here, in case of deficient demand, the central bank reduces bank rate. When bank rate reduces, then the loan or money of the commercial bank increases. Automatically, commercial bank will give huge amount of loan to the public. And when loan increases, amount increases in the economy, automatically aggregate demand increases. So deficient demand controlled. Number 2, purchase of securities. Purchase of securities, this point included in open market operation. In open market operation, when deficient demand created in the economy, then the government purchases securities, and purchase securities. As a result, the price of the securities or money supply increases in the economy. So money supply increases, then automatically aggregate demand increases and deficient demand control. Next, decrease in LRR. LRR has 2 parts: CRR and SLR. So when CRR, cash reserve ratio, decreases, when the central bank decreases CRR, then money supply increases in commercial bank, automatically aggregate demand increases and deficient demand control. Next, qualitative instrument. Just now I completed the point. Here I have written in short form: decrease in margin requirements. Margin requirements definition is the difference between the market value of the security offer and the actual value. So when marginal requirements or margin reduces, automatically the money supply increases. Next point is the, here I have written in short form. Next point, say advice to discourage lending. Advice to discourage lending. So here, discourage lending. So this point included in the borrowing. We have seen the moral, social, or advice to discourage. Next, withdraw the credit rationing. So here the central government advise in what situation or what purposes the commercial bank will give loan. So these points are included in qualitative instrument. So when this with the help of this instrument, the government can control excess demand in the deficient demand in the economy. So in this way, we have seen the inflationary situation, deflationary situation controlled by the government. So these are the points included in this chapter. So very important points, and these are included in banking chapter also. So you learn it. Now this chapter completed. Next I will start foreign exchange rate. So today up to this. Thank you.